Welcome to our comprehensive overview of AntPool, one of the leading cryptocurrency mining pools globally. AntPool stands out due to its impressive track record of reliability, robust performance metrics, and support for various digital currencies, including Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, and more. In this video, we take you through every detail you need to know about using AntPool effectively. To get started, visit AntPool's website and create an account by signing up with a valid email. After registration, you'll be redirected to the dashboard, which is intuitive and packed with data insights. From here, you can configure your mining hardware by connecting it to AntPool using the pool's mining addresses and ports. Ensure that your hardware is optimized for the type of cryptocurrency you plan to mine, as AntPool offers specific settings for different algorithms. Once connected, you can monitor your hash rate and estimated earnings in real time, as well as access detailed reports on payouts and mining activities. Did you know that your USDTs can generate passive income? With the Nexo platform, it's easy. Just transfer your USDT to Nexo and start earning up to 12% APR with daily accruals. This is the perfect way to make your crypto assets work for you. Sign up link and bonus for new users is in the description. Back to AntPool. It also provides enhanced security features, like two-factor authentication and wallet address whitelisting, ensuring your assets and data are safeguarded. Another standout feature is its competitive fee structure, designed to maximize profitability for miners, whether they're individuals or large-scale operations. The pool supports a wide variety of payment methods, including PPS, PPLNS, and Solo, allowing you to choose the system that best suits your mining goals. Don't forget to explore the community resources available on AntPool, such as forums, blogs, and support centers, which can help answer your questions and refine your strategies. AntPool's global presence, consistent payouts, and active user base make it a preferred choice for both beginners and seasoned miners. Subscribe to the channel and hit the like button to stay updated on more crypto mining insights.